Discover the benefits of garlic and honey for men. In this video, we'll share 8 compelling reasons why every man should consider incorporating these 2 powerful ingredients into their diet. By consuming garlic and honey regularly, men can enjoy a range of advantages, including improved cardiovascular health, enhanced immune function, and a reduced risk of certain diseases. Additionally, garlic and honey are known to have natural aphrodisiac properties that can benefit men's sexual health and performance. Don't miss out on the incredible benefits of garlic and honey. Tune into this video to learn more about how these 2 simple ingredients can help support men's health and well-being. In this video, you'll discover some surprising benefits of garlic and honey that you may not have known before. Pay close attention as you may learn something new that could be very beneficial for you. At the end of the video, there are tips on how to prepare them. This information is relevant to all viewers, regardless of gender. Garlic and honey have gained immense popularity in the world of natural medicine due to their antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and numerous other healing properties. While these 2 ingredients are often used individually to treat various ailments, they offer several unique benefits that are particularly advantageous for men. Before we delve into these benefits, please support the channel by liking the video, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell to stay updated on upcoming content. Here are 8 compelling reasons why men should incorporate garlic and honey into their diets. 1. It boosts testosterone. While there have been limited medical studies conducted on the impact of garlic and honey on testosterone levels, naturopaths have long used these ingredients to address various male-related ailments. In 2015, an animal study published by the Asian Pacific Journal of Tropical Biomedicine confirmed the restorative and proliferative effects of these ingredients on testosterone levels. 2. It treats erectile dysfunction. Garlic and honey have been shown to boost testosterone levels, which can effectively treat erectile dysfunction. Additionally, a study conducted by researchers from the University of Alabama at Birmingham found that consuming honey with garlic improves blood circulation, which can also aid in treating erectile dysfunction. This beneficial effect is due to certain compounds in garlic and honey that help relax arteries and blood vessels, thereby directly affecting penile function. 3. It improves fertility. The consumption of garlic and honey has been found to enhance male fertility by boosting testosterone levels, treating erectile dysfunction, and increasing sperm count through their potent antioxidant effects. A study published in the Turkish Journal of Urology in 2020 extensively examined the effects of antioxidant treatment in infertile men, supporting this claim. 4. It supports prostate health. The testosterone-boosting effects of garlic and honey, combined with their potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, make them an excellent combination for supporting prostate health and reducing the risk of prostate cancer. A study published in Molecular Nutrition and Food Research in 2007 found that garlic alone can be effective in addressing male malignancies, including prostate cancer. Combining it with honey makes this concoction even more potent. 5. It prevents male pattern baldness. One effective way to address male pattern baldness is by increasing testosterone levels, which can be achieved through the consumption of garlic and honey. In addition to their testosterone-boosting properties, these ingredients are also rich in essential vitamins and minerals such as vitamin C, thiamine, pyridoxine, selenium, and manganese, which are crucial for promoting healthy hair growth. 6. It encourages beard growth. consuming garlic and honey can also have a positive effect on beard growth. While the testosterone-boosting effects of these ingredients are the most apparent reason for this, there are also several nutrients in this mixture that support healthy facial hair growth. Antioxidants, vitamin B6, and magnesium are among the most beneficial nutrients in garlic and honey for promoting beard growth. 7. It helps treat hypertension. Hypertension is more commonly found in males than females, although the reasons for this are not yet fully understood. However, what is clear is that garlic and honey can help men lower their blood pressure. A review published in the Avicenna Journal of Phytomedicine cited several studies that support the efficacy of garlic in treating hypertension. The addition of honey makes the mixture more palatable and provides additional health benefits. 8. It helps prevent stroke. A study conducted by researchers from Sweden's Örebro University Hospital found that stroke is 41% more common in males than in females. However, taking garlic and honey can help reduce the risk of stroke, as has been known in natural medicine for a long time. This claim is also supported by a scientific study published in the Journal of Nutrition, Health, and Aging in 2013. Combining garlic and honey is easy enough to do. You can pour honey over cloves of raw garlic and let it sit before consuming it. 1 tablespoon at a time, or you can take it as is or dilute it by boiling the garlic, adding honey, and drinking it like tea. Here is a simple recipe for garlic and honey mixture. Ingredients: 1 cup of raw honey, 1 head of garlic. Instructions: 1. Peel the garlic cloves and mince them finely. 2. Mix the minced garlic with raw honey in a glass jar with a tight-fitting lid. 3. Stir well to combine. 4. Store the mixture in a cool, dark place for at least 24 hours before using. 5. You can consume 1 teaspoon of the mixture daily, either on its own or mixed with warm water or tea. Note: if you have any allergies or medical conditions, it's best to consult with your healthcare provider before consuming garlic and honey mixture. No matter your preference for taking it, having garlic and honey will give you plenty of health advantages as a man. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comment section down below, and feel free to stay safe and enjoy. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.